Hello everyone, I am Michael and I help guide people on the evolutionary journey. When we think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration, we unlock the secrets to the universe. When we understand and are conscious of the two main frequencies of the universe, we can improve our everyday lives. Love versus fear. These two frequencies are part of this universe. The fear frequency is a lower vibration with a slower wavelength that hits the DNA in less points. People that live in the fear vibration are less productive. When people put fear onto others, they are making those individuals less productive. The love frequency is a higher vibration with a faster frequency that hits the DNA in more points. People that live in the love frequency are more productive. We should be conscious that frequencies affect the physical body. We are leaving a fear-based society and we are moving into a fifth dimensional love-based society. So when you are conscious of what love and fear do to others, make it part of your everyday life. Always be conscious that love will increase the people around you, and this frequency will hit the DNA and your overall health will improve. So let's all live in the vibration or the frequency of love. I choose to live in the vibration or frequency of love, and I share that with others. What do you choose? Remember, we cannot control what is around us. However, we can control from within. Raise your vibration so that instead of the exterior vibrations affecting you, your vibration will affect your surroundings. Life is so much better when we are all together. If you find this message inspiring or know someone that could benefit from it, please share this message. I am Michael. Find us in the fifth dimension. Have a wonderful day living your everyday life. Be conscious of these frequencies as they affect yourselves and others around you. This is the frequency, the vibration of love.